We're going to get to the schematic for this. This is the existing 1.2K resistor on the power supply board. We're going to want to locate that. That's R11, and we're going to want to change that one. This is our existing Q2, which is actually on our protection board. There's actually a yellow wire coming from this point that's going up to the power supply board. And what we're going to want to do is try to keep the wire coming off the bottom of our relay here yellow, if at all possible, so everything mates up. This one we're going to use a red wire for. So on our little piece of circuit board, we're going to actually have a red wire, a yellow wire, a black wire, and then we're going to have a 3-pin plug like this with 3 wires, and this plug's going to slide in and over the leads of our bicolor. So first, what we wanted to do was figure out how we came up with 56 ohms here. We know that we have 7.45 here, and we know we want to drop this line to 5 volts. So if we want to drop it to 5, we just subtract 5 from this. That gives us 2.45. So if we're dropping 2.45 volts, we know we want 45 milliamps going this way. We want 25 coming down through here, and we want 20 coming down through this branch. So if we just use Ohm's law and R is equal to E over I, we got 2.45 divided by 0.045, and that's going to give you 54 ohms. So we're just going to use 56. That'll keep these LEDs happy, and it'll keep that relay happy. It may not end up being exactly 20 milliamps through here, or 25 through here and 20 through here, but it's going to be more than enough to keep these LEDs bright enough and that coil from dropping out. So that's how we came up with this resistor. Q2 here on the protection board, I would pull this, and if you can, check the beta on it just to see what it is. The beta on mine was 500. So what I did was I put a higher beta into it. I don't think it's necessary at all to do this, because with the voltage we have coming in here, I'm 99.9% certain it's going to completely saturate that transistor and completely turn it on. But in the very rare event that it doesn't, it would be nice to know that we have a higher beta in here. So I stuck a beta in of 654 for Q2. But you know, I don't even think you have to go down that road. Everything's going to be fine. So this was Sansui's existing light here, their existing protection light. And all we're simply going to do is remove that light where it hits the board connections, and we're just going to insert our board right across where that LED was. That's all there is to it.